Today we're going to review an NTI hot water radiant boiler. Today we're looking at the NTI hot water radiant boiler. This boiler in this residence is used not only for radiant heat, but this is also used to produce the domestic hot water that you would need for washing your dishes, taking a shower, things along that lines. With boiler systems nowadays, they can be more encompassing of what they were years ago. Years ago, you used to have a separate hot water heater and a separate boiler. Your boilers would sit on the floor, they were vented into a chimney, they were about 60 to 70% efficient. With the new high efficient boilers that we have nowadays, these boilers can operate up to 96% efficient. So for every dollar that you're spending, 96% of that you're actually using to heat your house. You're losing 4% versus years ago where you may have lost 30 to 40% of that dollar you were spending. So they are more efficient and a better way to heat your house. With the new high efficient boilers, there really isn't much a homeowner can do. The boiler's going to work or the boiler's not going to work. They are required to have annual maintenance every year to keep the boilers running and keep them functioning the way that they should. As you can see, this boiler here has PVC pipes that vent out the side of the house. One pipe takes exhaust gases out from the boiler, one pipe brings air back into the boiler so the burner can operate properly. Very imperative that during the winter months, those pipes on the outside stay clear of any snow and debris that could shut this boiler system down for you. To access this, and again, there isn't much a homeowner can really do with these boilers, but I do want to show everybody what we're talking about. To access these boilers and you go inside, basically you're looking at nothing more than, again, as modern technology, everything's all computerized inside these boilers. We have ignition modules, we have a control panel, we have a control board down here. Everything is sealed. Now, when TRS comes in and does your maintenance for you, we're going to check this entire system out. We're going to make sure that it's functioning for you and try to prevent any possible issues you may run into. Again, as I was saying before, this boiler not only is heating your home, but this boiler is also heating the domestic hot water. So when we go over here and you look at this, you can see we have a lot of piping in here, a lot of pumps, things along that lines, each one doing something different. But right here, we have a storage tank. In this is where we're storing all your domestic hot water. So that boiler right there, not only is it heating your home, but it's heating the domestic hot water that you're using to take a shower and to wash your dishes and do things around the house with hot water. So again, it's very encompassing. One system does it all, one thing to maintain, not two separate pieces of equipment. If you have any other questions about hot water boilers or about radiant heat, please contact us. We'd be happy to help.
TRS Heating and Air Conditioning. TRS